Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand, the House of Chabaud. House of Chabaud is a niche brand from France. They are not very well known. Some people talked about them, but very few people. They are quite unknown. They are quite on the radar. I purchased one of their fragrances before and they impressed me so much I had to go and get another one and report it back to you. So this one in particular called Chabaud, and this is Vert de Eau. Vert de Eau. This says Chabaud Maison de Parfum, and this is Chabaud Vert de Eau, and Eau de Toilette 100 ml. This one is aimed for men. Their boxes and bottles are very simplistic. They are basic design, which is quite appealing because, you know, I always say in my videos, give me a simplest box, simplest bottle, simplest presentation, but give me a good juice and I'll be very happy with it, because the juice is the most important part. The rest are, it doesn't matter that much as long as it's functional. So yeah, very simplistic box, very basic. Sorry about the noise. So this one in United Kingdom you can find it under £50. They retail for £100. If you go to their own website, it's £100. But as I said, from time to time you can find it. It's discounted under £50. You have to do your research and be patient. They're not readily available for that price. Obviously, if you want to go and buy the retail, is available. So here we go. Let's see the bottle. Yeah, as I said, very simplistic box and bottle, which again I'm happy with as long as you give me a good juice. So very light and minimalistic bottle, nothing to brag about. Plastic cap, and the atomizer is modern, and here we go. Not bad. Atomizer is okay. It's not the best, but it does the job. So how is Chabaud, and this is Vert de Eau, and this is Eau de Toilette 100 ml, aimed for men. And here we go, first sniff, first impression. Again, very citrusy, very big on the citrus, lemony, little bit orangey, definitely bergamot, little bit of bitter, maybe is either bitter orange or is a grapefruit in here. So but again, it's massive on the citrus. It opened up very citrusy and very uplifting, very inviting, very happy. Green, leafy, little bit of earthiness. Again, white floral. So this is quite similar, not similar in terms of smell profile, but similar in terms of note breakdown to the last one I unboxed today, which was the Hugo Boss reversed. They don't smell alike, but they are similar category of fragrances, which is they open up big citrus, white floral, and woody backbone, plus little of herbal, little of greenness, little of leafiness to it. But what a smell! Beautiful. Actually, it could be unisex. To my nose, it's completely unisex. It's bang in the middle. Anybody can wear it. So it's one of those fragrances that is universal, and also it could be universally liked. It's one of those fragrances I don't think people dislike it. It's very hard to dislike it. Little bit of fruity feel to it, but It's like a stone fruit. I'm getting a little bit of apricot feel to it for some reason, just tiny bit, a hint of it. So for the first impression, yes, it's very, very good. For the retail price, no, because it's a little bit on the simplistic side of things. Obviously, it smells good, it smells great, but not for 100 plus pounds. For under 50, yes, but £100, no, because you could buy much better fragrances for £100 than this one. But don't get me wrong, it doesn't smell bad. It smells very good. It smells quite natural, which is crazy. Yeah, I'm smelling something like a linen cleaning. Goodness me, what's happening here? Ooh, there's about a musky undertone coming up now. Cedar is there because, as I said, there's a backbone of woodiness to it. Definitely white florals. I can't put my finger on it. Is it jasmine or is it? Oh, I think it's orange blossom. Yeah, definitely orange blossom. It's got a tiny bit of leafy, not tiny bit, quite big actually, leafy, grassy, so I'm expecting it to be vetiver in here as well. Leafy, grassy, earthy, green, it's about herbal feel to it as well. So again, very good, very well done. It's very smooth, it's very rounded, big citrus. So what to take from it? Massive citrus in the beginning, especially it's about bitter orange or maybe grapefruit, lemon definitely, bergamot definitely, white floral most likely to be orange blossom, green aspect to it, which is mainly leafy, grassy, herbal feel, little of earthiness. And also in the base we have the woods, which is most likely to be cedar because it's very, very clean right now. But overall it's very, very good. And also that linen feel to it for some reason. It's quite soapy. Little bit of soapiness coming up, but I'm getting like a clean linen feel for some reason. Okay guys, so for first impression, yes, but not for the retail price. If you can find it discounted, yes, I think this is very, very good. 2 thumbs up. It's very, very French actually, very French perfumery. The second you smell it, you think, okay, this is, you cannot mistake it, this is French perfumery. So if you like French perfumery, you will love this. For me, this, yes, I absolutely love it. Very, very good for first impression, first sniff. Definitely on the mature side, 25 and up to in the safe side. Definitely for warmer weather. You can use it all year round, but it's better suited for warmer weather. And this is quite a casual, everyday, going to work, gym, yeah, things like this. It doesn't have the depth or the strength, not the strength, the depth and the complexity to it to make it formal evening and things like that. So it's quite on the simple side of things, but sometimes you need simple things and we don't always need complicated, super deep. So this has its own application basically. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this nobody else is talking about. They are on the radar, they smell good, and they're quite good value for money. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own perfume line. It's called the Scent of Persia. At the moment I have 18 of them in my collection, and they are super artistic, amazing smell. They are mesmerizingly good and very artistic, very unique, and also very mysterious fragrances. You cannot find them in the market anywhere. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.